Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the previous video, we learned about OData filter query in Power Automate. In this video, we are going to learn how to use Power Automate with HTTP request. Now we will know about what an HTTP request is. An HTTP request is like sending a letter from your computer to another computer, usually a server, asking it to do something or give you some information. For example, you ask a website for a page. That's an HTTP GET request. When you send your details in a form, that's an HTTP POST request. Why do we need it? Power Automate has a lot of connectors, even though if you want to connect it to something where a connector doesn't exist, you can use an HTTP request. For example, you have a private software your company uses and you want to connect it, then the connection can happen through a HTTP request. We will go to Power Automate, search for HTTP, and we will use this first option here. And that's it. In the next video, we will learn about an example use case for HTTP request in Power Automate. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.